World of Policy Car. Dunia mobil polisi.
Typical police decals and reinforced bumpers. A Mexican police car is a Paraguayan police car is a They typically have green and white exteriors with carabineros to.
Welcome to the General Toys channel. Number 1. 1. Iran Policy Car. Mobil polisi Iran.
Iranian police vehicles, operated by Faraji, include a diverse fleet for law enforcement and security tasks. Common models are domestically produced cars like Saipa and IKCO, alongside international brands. These vehicles are equipped with modern tools for traffic control, crime response, and public safety.
Number 2. Nomor 2. Guatemala Police Car. Mobil polisi Guatemala.
Is a sturdy vehicle used for urban and rural patrols. Common models include Toyota Hilux pickups and Nissan Patrol SUVs. They feature blue and black exteriors with yellow PNC, Policía Nacional Civil,
Number 3. Nomor 3. Mobil polisi Peru. Peru Police Car.
The Peruvian police car is a versatile patrol vehicle equipped with sirens, flashing red and blue lights, and law enforcement tools. Common models include Toyota Hilux, Hyundai Tucson, and Nissan Frontier. They typically have dark green exteriors with Policía Nacional del Peru decals used for urban and rural patrols.
Number 4. Nomor 4. Costa Rica Police Car. Mobil polisi Costa Rica.
The Costa Rican police car is a well-equipped patrol vehicle used by the Fuerza Pública. Common models include Toyota Hilux, Nissan Frontier, and Hyundai Tucson. They typically have white or dark blue exteriors with Policía decals, sirens, and flashing red and blue lights for urban and rural law enforcement.
Number 5. Nomor 5. United States Police Car. Mobil polisi Amerika Serikat.
This is the police vehicle of the United States, with its capital in Washington, D.C., a population of approximately 334 million people, and a GDP of 27.9 trillion USD. Brands used for police vehicles include Ford, Dodge, and Chevrolet, notably models like the Ford Interceptor, Dodge Charger, and Chevrolet Tahoe.
Number 6. Nomor 6. Mexico Police Car. Mobil polisi Mexico.
Brands include Dodge, Chevrolet, and Nissan, with pickups like the Chevrolet Silverado commonly used.